Okay, we won't be discussing the reading further today because already we just talked about the basis of it. How many modules and how many section there, how many question, and how you will be continuing with that. So today it will be only the academic reading session. There will be no generals today. So any student who wants to do general, this is not the day for you for the reading. So maybe you can come another day, right? So today we'll be completing one complete academic reading, question and answers discussed, but at last, right? So once you will be done all the 40 question, we will be knowing your score, and after that we'll be going through the description of the answer if anything you are answering and that comes out to be wrong, right? So I'm straightway taking you to the Word document where there is a reading we're going to do today. So let me stop this and share once again. So you see it here, it says question 1 to 4 stands for true, false, and not given. So you have to see the statements given here, and the first question starts from here. So these statements, if they are true, that means they are equal in the passage. Contradictory, then false, and if there is no information, then it will be not given. So this is the exact Cambridge series reading. So if you're doing it, you will be knowing your score. So that will be your on an average score in the final right now. So just let's do all the 40 questions together. So go for part 4 these questions and send me answer in the chat box. The settings being changed, your answer will be straight to me. So don't worry about selecting my name. I'm keeping mute for the time, right? Okay, received your answers, Anchal. Okay, there is. Okay, Neha, this is academic reading we're doing. So if you are doing it, if you are after the academic reading, so send the answer to first 4 question.
My question is, Aman, I'm preparing for journal IELTS. So,
Okay, so today is the day for academic reading.
oh,
Yeah,
okay.
because normally we don't do academics because majority of students they come from the general background only because they are
Yeah.
preparing for the PRs and everything. So if you wanna have the general one, so maybe you come back tomorrow at the same
Okay.
time.
Can you
Yeah,
tell me which days you take the classes for journal?
every day is general day. It's just like
Okay.
after maybe 2 or 3 weeks we come with one academic class.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah,
So
because as I
tomorrow
told,
again.
majority comes from the general only.
Okay. So tomorrow again will be a reading class only.
Tomorrow will be maybe possibly it could be writing as well. So
Okay.
writing or speaking or listening, never know. Because today we're doing reading, so let's see. According to the participation of student, will be deciding on that. So just come once, see what's going on, and if it's like something related to you and you want to continue, you can stay. Otherwise, you can come back other day.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah,
Otherwise, you're going to do the just academic reading only today, right?
yeah. Today it will be. Yeah.
Okay. And thank you
All
so
right.
much. I will join you tomorrow.
All
Okay.
right, Shavana. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. And Anshul, for the first 4 one, what is that? So you have sent. Okay, the first one is right, second right. The third one is wrong, and the
I
fourth is
think that's
also
not given.
that's not given.
My
Yeah,
ma'am,
that's
third
given.
number is not given, right?
Third is not given, right? Yeah, the other
I
building.
wrote true.
Yeah, and you wrote true by mistake.
No, ma'am, actually, I was a bit confused, either true or not given, because I could just
So
see a
let's talk
sentence
about the
related to that.
confusion. So what do you think? Why it is not given and not true?
No, ma'am, actually, first of all, I thought it was not given.
Mhm.
Then again, I saw it was just 30 years ago the building industry felt confident enough to. So I was just a bit confused, either it is true or not given. So I just wrote true.
All right, fine. But yeah, the answer is not given, right?
And what about number four, ma'am?
Number four is fine. That's true. You have
Okay,
given it
thank you.
correct. Let's do the next one.
All right.
Just let me adjust this one. Okay, so we have to classify the following, right? So
Sure.
we don't know, need the question numbers. So classification, we got typical of. Let me just set it. Then you can start it over.
Okay, ma'am.
Just a sec, yeah. Just a sec. Okay, you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Fifth and sixth. I'm just adjusting so that I want to show you all the 10 on one screen. Yeah, it's good now. Fifth, sixth, and 7, 8, 9, and 10. You have to classify them as per the options given up there. Typical of both Chinese, Japanese, or only Japanese, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So Anshul, fifth is not right. Sixth is also not right. And ninth is also not right. 10th is fine. So these three you have to look again once. Fifth, sixth, and ninth.
7, 8, and 10 are correct, ma'am.
They are correct.
Okay.
They're right. So look again those three.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Angel.
I think number 6 is A.
Number 6, tiles on eaves.
Yeah, I think it's A.
Yeah, that's true. It's A. And what about fifth one?
Ma'am, I could not find fifth one, but ninth one I found, that is C.
Ninth is no, it's also A. Sixth and nine both are A.
Okay, ma'am, fifth I could not find.
Fifth answer is B. It's the case with only Chinese one. So Chinese pagodas. I'll just point it out where it is. Easy interior
Okay,
says to top, and I'll highlight that area. But meanwhile, we'll be moving to the next set, right?
sure, sure.
So easy. So first, these are three question of MCQ. So there you go with the first one. I'll try to fix you. You start doing it.
Ma'am.
So two question at a time. I am able to paste here, not more than that. Not too even. It's like options. I think. So just go with 11 one, right? And then I'll just buy some space and yeah,
Ma'am,
done. It says dynamics of. So two question and third one I'll just then keep shuffle up there. Until the 11 is not right and 12 is fine. And the fifth one,
Okay.
you see where they were talking about the staircase.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So there is a description of the staircase, I guess, in this very paragraph. Uh, no, in the third one. So
No,
you,
ma'am, I think fifth one they were talking about easy access to the top.
yeah, easy access to the top. So they got in the Chinese one. There they said they got the inner staircase, right? And
Yeah.
when you keep reading it upwards, right, you will be looking at how they are saying that they are later centuries, they were mainly used as watchtowers. So watchtower, when you can use the staircase and you can access to
Oh,
the top,
yeah.
that become the watchtower. You got
Okay,
that,
ma'am.
right?
Okay, I
So
got it.
that makes the B as the answer to this question. And 11, as I told you, it's not right. So just look again once.
Okay. Ma'am, 11 answer is D.
Yeah, that's right for 11. It's D. So, first of all, why you have marked the previous answer?
Ma'am, first of all, that B I did bend under pressure like a tray
Mm-hmm.
because I could see that in the first page, last line, the Japanese pagoda with its massive trunk-like central pillar. I just ignored this central pillar and I just focus on the trunk light.
Mm-hmm.
So mm, that trunk is just elephant nose, right? That bends down. That's why I
Yeah,
wrote it.
central pillar. So, pillar is something fixed, right?
Yes, ma'am, I
So,
just ignored it.
yeah, so we have to go after the word. That's the actually the thing in academic reading. Vocabulary plays a crucial role here. So, the only question left is 13. So, this is the last question from the passage.
Okay,
Do
ma'am.
it.
Ma'am, 13 answer is C.
Yeah, 13 is C. That's right. So what is the total score in this one?
This one is 4, 3, 10.
10 out of 13. Not bad either. So let's do the next one. So it will be one complete reading today for you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And just give me a second, yeah. So this is the next paragraph. It's about true cost of food. And I'll be removing this image. I hope you don't mind that.
Yes,
We'll
ma'am.
buy
Okay.
some more space, yeah. Okay, so we got this 14 to 17 where what we have to do, we have to write the correct letter. Okay, reading passage. So it's like which paragraph contain which information,
Okay, ma'am.
right? 14 to 17. So this information is here. You have to see out of A to G paragraph, which paragraph got this information, and that alphabet of the paragraph will be the answer, the letter, right?
Okay, ma'am.
So let's just do it. 15 and 16. They're not right. Look again, then I tell you. 14 and 17 is fine.
14 and 15 and 16 not right.
Yeah, they're both incorrect.
Ma'am, 16 is G.
16 is what?
G.
16 is the G. No, no.
Okay.
Look carefully.
Price premium gone. And then this is also gone. Is that C? You can just see the collateral. Ma'am, maybe C, I think.
16 is C.
Yeah. Okay. And now I gotta find 15. Ma'am, 15 is B.
Yeah, that's true. 15 is B. It's EB, CB.
E, B, C, B.
Yeah. Okay, I'll just shuffle the questions up. So I'm just removing the instruction. It's very easy. Yes, no, not given, right? But remember, you have to say answer in yes, no, not given. Do not write true, false. When
Okay,
it say
ma'am.
yes, no, it should be yes, no. All right, these are 4. Okay, for these one, right. 20th is not right, and remaining three are right. So 20th, I believe it need to be no. So the 20th says the financial cost of environmental damage are widely recognized, right? So where you get this answer from, Achal?
Ma'am, I wrote not given because it just including about the food and things. So I thought not given.
No, no, where you get this statement from? I mean, where you find it to be no or whatever you have written not given.
I have given not given because in the cost section I could not find anything related to this. So
You not getting me. Okay, from which paragraph you have taken this answer?
I have combinedly taken it from E and
Hmm.
I went to E and also I went to no, that's it, only E.
Only right.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so this what is the question number? 20th, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
20th is to be no, and maybe you couldn't find, that's why you have written not given, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So widely recognized. The cost include conservative estimate. Oh, here it is. They added up to cost of repairing the damage and it cost and came up to total figure of 2343. They're talking about the damage environmental. This is equivalent to 208 for every hectare of arable land and permanent pasture. Almost as much as again, we need to move up. The total government and EU spends on British farming that year. And according to Professor Pretty, it was a conservative estimate. So it was not widely recognized, it was conservative. Got it?
Yes, ma'am. So the answer is no.
So the answer is no, right? So rest all of the answers they are correct. And last is fill up. Fill ups it's like more of a summary completion. So you have to choose no more than three words. This will be the
Okay, ma'am.
instruction. And there we have four questions only from the same very passage. I hope you understand this. Oh, no. Just a second. All right, go up. So I'm removing the summary completion and no more than three words thing.
Okay, ma'am.
Right, now all the question will be there. So three words max you can use.
Ma'am, can I read out the answers?
No, I couldn't see your answers.
Can I read it out or you want me to write it?
I want you to write them
Okay.
because I want to see the word combination you will be making.
I have sent you.
Just checking them up. Okay. Yeah, all good. This seems easy.
Yeah, all correct?
Yeah, all good. All right.
Oh, wow.
Wow. Yeah, actually, wow. This is a kind of a summary, so you get that. So summary is like when you get the correct meaning of the things, and they won't be like in a single sentence, scattered
Mm-hmm.
around, and you're getting it. That's a good sign. Okay, the one last, and that's going to be a bit difficult comparing to these two.
Okay, ma'am.
So can't say it like exactly, but yeah, that's what I believe, because this is not the particular exact readings. I'll be just picking up the passages from Cambridge series. So just a sec, almost there. So if you're performing well in these passages, that means you are halfway there already. All right, there we go. All right, so here we have to find the heading to the passages. So
This one is the toughest one.
we got list of headings A, B, C, D. Section A, B is there, right? C is here. So D, I'll just bring it up. So this is, we have to find, if we have to give heading to these paragraphs, what will be the possible heading to the paragraph mentioned
From the options given, list of
from the,
headings.
yeah, list of the headings. And let me remove this image, I guess, yeah. Buying some space up here. So when you're done with the three passages, just let me know, then I'll be showing the passage D as well. Or if I can do, I should be removing this particular thing. It's fine, right? We know that we're looking heading for the section A, B, and C, and D, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so we'll be removing this as well. Okay, here we go. Better. So, yeah, still you can go with the it's up to C only, because I seem it's lengthy. All right, let's do it.
Ma'am, can you show me the other part of D?
You done with C?
I did see, but I'm just confused
You
between
wanna
A and
confirm that?
D.
Okay, then I am just dragging it up there so that maybe we able to see. I hope you understand how I'm doing it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that's okay. I guess this is the whole A D passage. Yeah, this is whole D, right?
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Ma'am, I can't really decide what is for A.
What is for passage A?
Yeah, I really
Done
can't
with
decide.
category.
I did B is a 3 volcano and the features of our planet.
I'll just see it. What do you mention for the B?
Number 3, volcanoes and the features of our planet.
For B, this is not right. Basically, this one is of some other option. So just reassess one. Then you will be able to decide better. So passage heading need to be, it's sort of a crux of the passage, right? What the main content of the passage. Maybe look into the topic sentence, few more sentence, conclusive sentence, and then go to option and relate those first topic sentence, the details further, and the conclusive sentence. Whether you find the matching details, then it will be the option, otherwise it's not.
Ma'am, can we say different types of volcanic eruption for A?
For the first one, a
Mm-hmm.
paragraph, uh, it says, okay, so basically, volcanoes are the ultimate earth moving machinery. A violent eruption can blow the top few kilometers of a mountain, scatter fine ash practically all over the globe, and hurt rock fragments into the stratosphere to darken the skies a continent away. So basically, what they are talking about, volcanoes, like what they are and what they can do. So, have they talked about any sort of the different eruption in there? The classic eruption, cone-shaped mountain, Big Bang, mushroom cloud, surges of molten lava. Volcanoes have not only made the continent, they are also thought to have made the world first stable atmosphere and provided all the wood for the ocean, river, and ice caps. And then what comes out of volcano crater is mostly gas. Now, water vapor, the deep breath, enough to explain over 35 million years. Ocean and the rest cap in nitrogen, carbon, these gases. And the quantity of these gases multiplied over this many years is enough to explain the mass of world atmosphere. We are alive because volcanoes provided the soil, air, and water we need. Okay, so different type of volcanic eruption is not the only content of the passage, right? So what
Mm-hmm.
basically they're talking about like how ultimate it can be. It is earth moving machinery, and how it is adding to the planet feature. Different gases and the things when you read it to the bottom, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
basically, it's a combination. So volcanoes and the future of our planet. That stand true. The answer for question A. I mean the
Ma'am,
paragraph A. Mhm.
actually, trust me, I really wrote number 3 for A in the beginning, and
Ah,
I
okay.
again cut it because I read passage 2,
So
and
there is a
passage 2
tip.
is
This
more
is
like
very
that one.
eternal tip. Like always go with your first intuition because that's always comes out to be true. This is the case with me as well. So
So,
this
and
is
I
right.
read the passage B, and it seemed to be more like volcano in the feature of our Earth. That's why I cut from A.
Right. No worries. But now you need to see the 15 number. What could be the possible answer for that?
B is 1, ma'am, causes of volcanic eruption.
Yeah, that's right. What is C and D?
D, I have written 6, and C also
Mm,
I have written 1.
no. D is fine, that's 6. But no,
Mhm.
obviously, C you would need to look.
C is 4 different type of volcanic eruption.
Yeah, that's right. So the answer comes out to be third one. I mean, third, first, and fourth and sixth.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
these are the
I
answers. So you see,
hate
it's,
this sort of question, ma'am,
but
giving
you will
headings.
be knowing that you won't be happy to know that because sometimes these are the first very question in the reading, and they are not only four. Like this time you're doing four. Sometimes the passages are up to GHI, and we have
I
to
just
find a
hate this
heading.
question, ma'am.
That's weird, I know, but yeah, we have to do it. No other way. Okay, but yeah, the more practice, so we will be in a better position to answer these questions. All right, so here you see we got a question which we call short answer question. Four questions are there. So just go after and I'll just separate the passages for a clear view. Right, where is C? Here it is. Right?
All right,
Okay.
ma'am.
It's fine. And already you have read the passages, it will be easy. So this is the beauty of the paragraph heading question. When you do that, afterwards, whatever questions are there, they're very easy to detect because you've already been through all the text and you know that the location. So you will see now it will speed up the process for
Okay,
you.
ma'am. Ma'am, can I say the answer? Just try.
No, write them. It's
Okay,
no big deal to write them.
sorry. 18 years. There you go.
Uh, 18 is not right. 19 is right. 20th is right. And 21 is right. 18 is incorrect.
You are so correct, ma'am. First instinct is right. I wrote that 18 and 10 11 this was wrong.
That's what I just learned from my experience of this many years in IELTS, because always first I mean, this is, I don't know, but this works for me. The first instinct, whichever you get, and it always comes out to be true. When you confuse and write something else, it always comes out to be wrong. So what was
I'll
that?
just give a quick try. No, I just went through this magma part and then I thought maybe this one. Okay, let me write maybe wrong. Like that.
So, okay.
What are the section of the Earth's crust often associated with volcanic activity called?
Mm-hmm.
Hmm, where did I find this magma? Mm,
All right.
that is egg cell.
What it is?
Egg cell.
Eggshell.
Mm,
No. Where are you looking at? Which paragraph?
I'm going to be.
Going to be?
Yeah.
Um, I think the A paragraph might be having the answer, because that was explanation of the basic criteria of eruption. Mm, I'm not pretty sure about it, but that's what I feel. And then egg okay, you fill their egg with runny yolk, semi-molten, brittle, and this very things are written up there. So where the things happening, what we call it? Yeah, here it is. It's in the B only.
I was looking at B. Let me find it,
Yeah, it's
please.
in the B and it's pretty small. You'll find it. But yeah, it's the other way around. The answer is other way around.
Hawaiian Island or something.
Okay.
Halter.
No. So you have to read it up here. Plates. The answer is plates.
Cast into plates.
So just start from here, maybe,
Oh.
even though the mantle, and you will be understanding it. It's the other way around. You see?
What are the section of Earth's crust often associated with
The
volcanic
volcanic
activity called?
activity. So they are talking about the which section of earth crust. So the section of earth
Yeah,
crust into plates. That's the section which is associated with the volcanic activity. So we called it plates.
that's
So
true.
okay, so let's quickly go through the last one, because otherwise we won't be able to complete that. No more than 2 word, again summary, right?
Okay, ma'am.
And that's all. And then we can find out what the total score is.
And please don't forget to email me some links.
Sure, why not? Definitely will be doing that. So just quickly go. This is a summary, and you cannot write more than 2 words.
Okay, this is our last one, right?
Yeah, this is last one, and it's 3:47. So we have pretty less minutes with us.
Yes, ma'am. If
All
I'm
right,
running late.
sure, do it.
Ma'am, I found, I think 22 is granite.
Granite. 20, which one? 20?
Two, the first one,
The first one, no, it is not
earthquake.
granite. No, it is ocean. I mean, oceans or water or maybe the oceans.
23, I wrote magma,
Yeah,
MAGMA.
that's right. That's right. You can even write lava, molten rock, and magma. Out of three, everything will be right. What's for 24?
24 could not find.
All right,
And
25th.
25, I write explode.
That's right. And 26?
Nothing.
Okay, 24 and 26, very fast. So just go quickly. You will be getting them as well. 24 and 6. That what you are after, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Uh,
24 South Africa and must be a country's name. So,
it is a
mm,
country name. It must be.
can't see any country name. Uh, Northern Ireland, Wales, South Africa, Karoo. South Africa, Karoo in South Africa, and Western India.
It's not okay. Western India. It's India, that's for sure. Maybe you can write Western with that. Okay, it says two word. Yeah, yes, you can write. It's right. Western India. And for the last one,
Mm,
move so suddenly that dash are emitted. So something which can be emitted.
this happened because the magma moved so.
Oh,
Bubble molten in Ukraine. Bubbles of magma.
no, it's not bubbles of magma.
Imitate. Imitate means to copy.
No, no, no. Emitted, that mean maybe you see this is something which is sort of coming out, scattered, scattering around, emitted.
I can say toothpaste.
Yeah,
Squeezed
toothpaste.
out like toothpaste.
No, no, no.
Suddenly.
Okay, so you see this happen because the magma moves so suddenly that dash are emitted. So third type of eruption, that's what we're talking about. Where is the third type of eruption they're describing in this passage? Passage B or passage D?
Ma'am, I think
You're looking into which passage?
I'm now going to D.
You now going to D?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So blows it up
But I
on
can't
pin.
find.
No, yeah, find it. I'll also looking with that.
Can't really find. I'm running out of time and I'm feeling helpless.
You see, this is the situation at the end. Look at the map. Developing electoral plates, mental. Okay. Classic. That's the first one. Volcanism, eruption, drifted entire volcano and ice cap. Mm-hmm.
Can't really decide.
Okay, no worries. Just a sec. I'm just going after it. Okay, answer to this question is gases.
Gases?
Yes. I
Okay.
am just looking after these names where there are written Northern Ireland, Wales, South Africa. Which paragraph? C?
Yes, ma'am. See, on the last side of the sea.
Last side of the C. I mean the end of the C, right?
This is the second unit C. I can't again see.
So wherever you got these
Yes, ma'am.
names, they're
C. On the
talking
last
about
of
the
the
third
C.
type of eruption, right? So that third type of eruption place, there you will be getting your answer. Oh, here are the names. Wales and the Carwin Africa, magma rose faster, flowed out horizontally. In the Deccan Plateau in Western, there are more than 2 million cubic um, kilometers of lava, and the magma moves. Yeah, you see, sometimes the magma moves very swiftly indeed.
Yes,
So the
ma'am.
same paraphrasing is given. It does not have the time to cool as it surges upwards. The gases trapped inside the boiling rock expand suddenly. The lava glows with heat, it begins to froth and it explodes with tremendous force. So why this magma moves so suddenly and the water emitted? So gases which are trapped inside. So gases are emitted. Gases trapped inside the boiling rock expand suddenly. That means they comes out suddenly, emitted, right?
So the answer is gases.
The answer is gases, exactly. That's right. Okay,
Finally,
Anshul, what is the total score?
let me quickly count.
Is the score from this one? Count it. Don't
Uh,
try. No worries. Count it. Keep counting. I'll be this.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 31.
How much?
31.
31.
31, including everything we did today.
31 including all the. Okay,
Yeah,
so how much you got out of 31? Or we did 40?
we did 40. Out of that, I got
Okay, then
31.
it is 7 band for you.
Wow, I hope I will do the same in the exam as well.
7 band if you are scoring 30 in the academic reading. 30 and 31 both are the places where you get 7 band. And if it's one more correct, suppose the last answer you find it
Yeah.
and your total will be 32, then your
Mhm.
score will be 7.5.
Oh, wow. Just
Yeah, that's
one,
the
right?
beauty. Just one. Yeah. So you see, this is how when we are doing readings and finding answer by looking at the paraphrasing, then nothing is difficult. So all the passages are randomly picked from the Cambridge series. So it's a good score, but yeah, target more. Target at least 35. So that even though one or two gets wrong, still you will be on your required band score.
Sure, ma'am. I have applied for annual leave for next week, so I will be practicing all day until Friday.
Mm-hmm.
So I hope I'll be fine.
Definitely. Yeah, practice is the only, key to progress here. You know all the tips and tricks, and after that, if you're sitting idle, not doing the practice, there is no fun. You see. So if you're doing the practice, ultimately you will be, getting more and more score.
I just hope. I just need 6, but I need to target at least 7, 8 so that I
At
can get 6.
least 7. Yeah, that's very much true. All right. Okay, so I'm ending the session now. I'll be sending you the content, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, a few website with that. So you'll be finding a
Thank
lot
you
of
so
things.
much.
Yeah, no worries, Anchal. Have a good day. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye. Take care.
Bye bye.